always say insurance companies' claims payment is our business. And today we get to know about how life insurance can help your pension. You're planning your pension. How can life insurance help that? Well, let me take you over to our friends at Saham Life Insurance Company. Yeah, Saham Life Insurance Company. They're grateful to let the head of retail, my brother, Mr. Kinson Amegavi, to join me today to talk about how life insurance can help you plan your pension. Mr. Amegavi, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
And really good to see you. How's the team doing? And how are you doing
good.
too?
We're doing good.
Awesome.
I'm doing good myself.
I beg this tie, it be corporate tie.
No.
It no be corporate tie.
No.
Charlie, then you get this. Wow.
You like it? Eh?
Oh, I love it.
Good.
I love it. Looks
Good.
really good. I like the
Good.
design
Good.
in there.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, Charlie, the Saham people, they know how to handle tools. I mean, if it shows up in your office like this, boy, oh boy, you're blessed.
Good. Yeah,
Okay, so today we get to talk about how life insurance can help plan pension.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Exactly.
Okay. You know, growing old whilst in active service makes one feel good about himself or herself, especially if you're between like 25, 45, thereabouts. Now, often we tend to think going on pension is nowhere near us. Now, the reality only dawns on us when we hit, say, 45, thereabouts, only to realize that you have only 180 months to go on compulsory retirement and no real financial plans in place. So, how can life insurance help in planning towards retirement?
Life insurance is the most important thing anybody can have. And it helps so much because of what we call the double hazards of life.
The double hazards of life.
The double hazards of life. The double hazards of life is basically you unfortunately dying very early in your life, or you have been blessed with so many years. You die, let's say 85, 90 years. You know, when you die too early, responsibilities are there, and life insurance is what take care of that. And when you are so old too, you need life insurance to survive. For you to plan life insurance, you realize that you have to make sure life insurance is with you. Yeah. As I sit here, I have 13 life insurance. You know, with life, you can take as many as you can.
13?
13. Every month you see the deductions going.
Wow.
You just look at your phone and say, wow. But then you move on with your life.
Why do you think?
You realize when you have the money, you use the money. But with this life insurance, you know, the monies are kept somewhere. Yeah, you don't have access to it to waste it. So you realize with time you have access to the money. You go back, you pick it up, whatever you want to do with it. You know, you can use life insurance to do so many things. To plan for a good vacation, to plan to have good assets, and also to plan for your pension. You know, pension, we have compulsory pension, that's neat, and then the tier 1, tier 2. But the life insurance coming as a supplementary pension. And that one, you control it. So if you want to use any other savings, you might have access to it. But if you use pension, the life insurance, it protects you. Because you don't have access to it, and it protects you.
At what age would you recommend that somebody takes up a policy in preparation towards pension?
That's a good question. The age depends on you. However, if you get your first job when you're out of school, that's when you should start thinking about pension. Unfortunately, many of us are not privy to that information. Many of us are not given that information. So you realize people don't actually plan. But you see, when you start your life insurance very early in life, you could just put down little money on a monthly basis, and then just close your eyes to it. But if you wait, like you mentioned, after 45 you realize it's only 180 months to come, then you begin to rush to say, hey, I need to put this there, I need to do it. There's no money. I mean, you begin to worry, so you begin to think about so many things. Remember, anybody who has not thought about life insurance very early would start behaving like a lot of people are not going on pension even though they retire. Look at the military guys. they do. They become chief of securities for companies. The doctors tend to go into, private hospitals. The accountants start to do services, and everybody try to, because the pension money is not enough. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, if you start planning pension very early, it's a blessing to yourself.
So you insist that the compulsory or mandatory SNIT contribution is not enough?
It's never enough. It's never enough. Because whatever amount you are earning, I don't know the computation exactly, but whatever amount you are earning, once you go off that, you realize that at the end, what you take home is not what you plan for. So you must actually plan with some additional investment somewhere, and life insurance can do that for you.
So with the life insurance, can I take the premiums paid over the period at a go?
It depends on you. It depends on you. If the premiums are paid on a monthly basis actually, but the lump sum, whatever you have paid, the amount that you are promised by the insurance company, which we call the lump sum money benefit, if you time your retirement up to pension, and then you pick that money, then you can invest it into what we call the annuities and things like that. You give it to them. I have this bulk money. I want you to manage it for me on a monthly basis. Give me this. But the premium is actually what you pay on a monthly basis.
Yeah.
But it should actually be the sum, the lump sum. Yeah. So the lump sum you take, and then you decide, I want these people to manage it for me. So you look for an insurance company that do these pension. How do you call it? The trustee. Sorry.
They manage the funds?
They manage your funds for you. They manage your funds for you precisely. So when you take it, then every month they will tell you, we've agreed to give you this amount, or you tell them what you want.
Okay.
At the end of every month, I want X amount.
Yeah.
And then they will give you X amount every time.
So either way, it can work. You can take your lump sum, or you can get the monthly payments.
Sure.
Depending on the agreement you have with the insurance company.
Exactly.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Wow. And I think that's what you would refer to as annuities.
Annuities, like I was saying, yes, that is annuity. When you take your lump sum and you give to an annuity company, and they manage the fund for you, and then thereafter you take on a monthly basis what you want. Let's say you plan your retirement to go home for, let's say, 6,000 cedis a month. If you have some huge sum of money that you collect from insurance, let's say, like I did mention, I have about quite a number of them. You also do have quite a number of them. You take them, and then the benefit that comes to you, you pack them and say, this annuity company X, I'm giving my money to you. Now, I want 6,000 paid to me. They will check the money you're giving to them over how long a time you want, let's say 20, 25 years, if you hope to be there. And then they'll be paying this money to you on a monthly basis. That is if they can afford to do the investment and pay you that amount. If they cannot, they will tell you what they can pay. If you agree, then it goes. That's annuity. And then it will continue either for a stated number of years, or let's say till you die. Yeah, you have to agree with them which one. You pay me this amount till I die, or you pay me this amount till this number of years. So if the number of years come and you are not dead, you manage the rest yourself. But if by then you're dead, then you have to pay that to your beneficiary. Wow. But once you agree with that, that's fine.
So for you who has 13 different life policies, it means that you'll be getting a lot of money.
Yes,
every month.
But like I was telling you, life insurance, as you have them, and as they are there for you, should something happen, and then maybe you're planning to go on some big time holiday somewhere, over a time, once you realize your life insurance, this particular one has fetched you enough, and you can have time to spend that money, you can take it and blow it. However, some fun, and then come back. Actually, you don't go and borrow, but life insurance can help you enjoy your life.
The way you
Very
say
much.
blow it, over pet time, pa.
I know it's good sometimes to
Yeah.
plan to have travels. These are the things you can
Yeah.
always recall.
Explore the world a little
explore the
bit.
world. Yeah, you have
Create
stories
some
to
good
share.
memories, yeah.
And if you do good with life insurance, you realize the money you get, you can go with partners.
Yeah.
Not going alone, and you don't have anybody to share with.
Yeah.
But if you go with somebody, you could always recall the memories and
I know.
enjoy it. It's fun. It's
Well,
fun.
there you go.
Yeah.
I think we have all the information that we need to actually start a life insurance so that we can plan our pensions better. And Mr. Kinson Moses Amegavi is head of retail at Saham Life Insurance. He's been telling us all about it. If you can briefly tell us a little bit about Saham Life.
With Saham Life, we've been there for some time. We have moved from different phases, and today we are Saham Life. Next year, we are fully branding as Sanlam.
Okay.
Yeah, we've been fully acquired by Sanlam, and so next year we are branding as Sanlam, and so we expect us will have more time with you next year,
Awesome.
Especially first quarter of next year. We'll come to some agreement and see
Yeah.
what we can do.
We should do stuff. We should do stuff.
Yeah, and then Saham Live is going big. We're the biggest on the market now. We're in 38 countries in Africa.
Wow.
We are in the Caribbean. We are in Europe. We are in so many places.
Wow.
So Saham Life, you bet sure. I mean,
Very solid foundation.
very solid. We
And
have
very prompt with claims payment as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what we do. I mean, we recently won the award, the best customer service. So you can imagine the work we've been doing.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Saham,
Congrats, guys.
we have a lot of product as well. Yeah, and some of these products you can also take as your pension plan. We have the assured investment. We have the assured family income. These products, when you visit our places or you call us, where we can come and discuss with you,
Yeah.
then you can use your life insurance. You can term it if you know the number of years you are going on a pension. You can time it with it, and then you can do it and then get the benefit from it when you're going off.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
good stuff. Thank you so much for sharing this with us, Mr. Kinson Moses Amegavi, head of retail at Saham Life Insurance. Regards to the team as well.
Good.
All right.
With Saham Life, what we say is our business to tell you about insurance, but don't make it our business to tell your family you didn't listen to us.
No, I like that. That's a cute one. Thank you so much.
Lexus, it was
This is-
nice meeting
yes,
you.
it's been so great meeting
Yeah,
you and then
yeah,
spending time
yeah,
with you here.
yeah.
Proudly brought to you by the Ghana Insurance Association. Claims payment is our business. If you want clarity on any of the issues, you can call the GIA, the Ghana Insurance Association, their Claims Management and Advice Bureau on 0800 442,000, and the team will be on hand to speak to you. Yeah? Stay tuned in to Joy 99.7 FM. I'm Lexus Bill. Here's Joe Boy.
Joy 99.7 FM.